there are different type of SQL join: inner join, left join, right join, full join, and cross join. Okay, so these are the five type of SQL join. And basically interviewer give the question that this is a two table, A table and B table, and if you apply for the inner join, left join, right join, full join, so what is the output, or how many number of row which will be selected when we join these two tables? So this is the question that maybe interviewer ask you. And along with that, maybe he will give some the null record as well. Okay, so for the null record I have already created one video, and you can refer that video, but as of now I will explain you this example. Okay, so basically this example I will take not only for the your clear the concept, but I will show you the actual how we can calculate. Means in if you have the paper and pen and the paper, or if you are directly go on the system, then also you can easily answer this question. Okay, so basically what happen in A table and B table, as per the definition we will go for first of all the inner join. So basically when the inner join we will perform, that time what happen ki this two table and whatever the common element from this two table, that will be selected. Okay, so if you check in a table there is a so for example we performing the inner join. Okay, so first inner join. So what happen when we perform the inner join? So basically this one match with this one, so it will go by one. Okay, like this one equal to this one, then it will be take one record for that. Then this one match with this one, then again it will be take one record. Okay, so this will be number of record. Okay, I will centralize. So we just need to how many rows will be affected. Okay, if we ask the output, then I will also show you the output for that. So then this one is not match for the two, then it will be zero row for that. Then one not match, then again zero row for that. Okay, so for the one, how many record will be is there? So one for the one, two record will be, it will be selected. Okay, so then again two, so these two, then it will be go for the in a B table first position there is a one, so it will be not match, so zero, these two not zero, then these two match with this, then one record. Then again these two not match, so again for this there is a one record. So total is a, for the two there is a one record will be selected. Okay, then again one, so this one again start with this B table first position. Okay, so for that one, then for this one, and for this zero, because of one not equal to it means one not match with two. Okay, so for that zero, then again for this also zero, so for this one also we will retrieve the two records. Okay, then again this two, for this two, for the zero zero. Okay, for this two zero, because of it will be not match, then for this only one record will be match, and for the 2 to 4 it will be 0. So because of 2 not match with 4, then for that the reason it will be 0. So how many records for the 2? It will be 1. Okay, then 3. So if we check there is a 3, so if you check the 3 available in a A side table but not in a B table, so for the 3 it will be 0. So if we calculate, so it will be 6 record for the inner join. Okay, so if I show you the output, so for the inner join. Okay, so for the inner join, if we perform the inner join, then for the A table, and this is a B table. Okay, okay, so what is the output, can anyone tell, for the inner join?
1 1 is there.
Okay, first 1 1. Okay, then
Again 1 1.
okay 1 1. Okay,
then 2 2,
Okay, 2 2,
then 1 1,
then 1 and 1. Okay,
again 1 1,
okay, 1 and 1.
and again 2 2.
Again 2 2. Okay, it will be right. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, right. So how we can calculate? Yeah, it will be right. So how we can calculate? So yesterday I will also give the one the expression means one trick for that. Okay, so what I will do? So this is the output. This will be right. Okay, but if suppose if you want the again how we can the identify this output will be correct or not. So the tricks for that is that key first of all for the inner join what you can do, so you can check the how many one. So for example I will start from a table for first position of the record. So this is the one. Okay, for that one how many one in a this a table. Okay, so one repeated for the one two. Okay, two time repeated, so I will put as a two. Okay, in a table. Okay, so into in a b side table how many time one repeated, so it will be repeated for the two time. So I will again add 2. Okay, into 2 then plus. So this is a 1 into 2 is for the only for the one element. This is the one. Okay, so then we will go for the next element. So next element is the 2. Okay, so 2 how many time repeated in a side table, it will be repeated for the 2 time. So we will take 2, then we will multiply. So because of we are checking the this element how many time repeated. Okay, so this is the a side table into b side table. So 2 how many time repeated, it will be repeated for the only one time. So we will take one time. Okay, then next. So after the two we the one already we take, then two already we take the three. But as for the join inner join, so we will not take 3 because of the this is not matching from the b side table. Okay, so if we calculate this one, so it will be 6. So 6 record for the inner join. Okay, so this is a simple we can calculate for the how many records. If interviewer asks that ki how many row it will be affected, then you can directly calculate like this way. Or you can if interviewer ask you that key how many you can tell the row how many row will be selected. You can for example the output for that. So this is the output and this is the number of records. Okay, so this is the we completed for the inner join. So we will check the left join. So for what happened in a left join, so basically all the element from the left side table and the matching element from the both side table. Okay, so basically the left join. So this is the a table, it will be in a left side table. So we take the all the records from the left side table, and whatever the matching element from the b side table, that also we are taking from for this. Okay, so what I will do, so I will copy. So for the left join, so a and b. Okay, so this is output for the inner join. Okay, so for the this so whenever we perform the left join, so for the all the data from the left side table, so first row will be 1 into 1. So because of this one match with this one, then one match with this one, so again 1 into 1. Okay, then again the one not match in not match with anywhere, so we will not take this one. Then two, this two match with this two, directly we will take 2 and 2. Then again this two sorry this two match with this two, then we will take 2 into 2. So the same output for this. Okay, so if you check, the same output as this 2 we return in a lastly, but the same output for this. And in that we will take one more 1 second, one two, okay, one, okay, sorry. So then
One
it
one
will
two
take
two
one
then
one
one one
one one with one and one, then two
two
and
two
two, okay.
two two
And this again two two, okay.
three
Okay. So right. So again two
two.
two. Okay. So basically what happened? Ki these two repeated two time. Okay. So the two and here is the one. So two into one is a means basically we it will be two. Two time it will be repeated. Okay. So basically this will be same output as the inner join, but additionally what happened in the left join. So the record from the left side table. So it will be three. So three and it will be take the null because of in a the right side table there is a no record against the 3. Okay, so for that only the this will be written, this will be it will be take for the null. Okay, so only the change is this one. Okay, so this is the output for the left join. And for the right join what happened ki when the right side table all the element from the right side table and the matching element from the both side table, so a and b. Yeah, so basically first of all how it will be works like this one match with this one, this one match with this one. So first of all it will be take uh, it will be start from b one like this, then one one. So basically if you check all the data means like all the data from like up to this one, so all the data will be repeated. So this again this one match with this one, like this two match with this two, then this two match with this two. So all the data like this one, so it will be repeatedly. Okay, it will become. Okay, so only thing is that key in a if you check in a b side table, b table, there is a 4. Okay, so this 4 in a beside table, but it is not in a table. So but as per the definition, all the element from the right side table, whatever it will be match or not match, it will be taken into the right join. So it will be take 4 into null. Okay, so only difference is that key it will be take the fourth position, means it will be take the fourth number. Okay, so this is output for the right join. Then we will go for the after that full join. Okay, so what happened in a full join?
All the six rows are same. After that, from left join last row and from right join last row is added in full
Okay,
join. So
yeah,
total
right.
eight rows are there.
Okay, right. So basically what happened, if you know the definition, so what happened in a full join? So basically the this is the three type of join, like inner join, left join, and sorry, inner join, left join, right join. So all the output of these three the joins, it will be in a full join. Basically if you check this portion, it will be means common element from the both side table. It will be take in a left side table all the element from the a table and the matching element. Then in a right join it will be take the all the element from the right side table. If you compare this three means figure like inner join, left join, right join, then you will get this image. If you combine these three, then you will get this one. So it will be indicating that ki full join it will be combination of all three joints. Okay, so directly as per the operation how uh, the inner full join will work, that I will explain you. So basically inner join work like similarly, but it will be take the all the element like the one join one match with this one, then one one, like the same operation like for the inner join, left join, right join. So the same output it will be take from up to this. Okay, so inner join all the output. Okay, so first what we can do, full join all output मन मीन्स इनर जॉइन का जो भी आउटपुट रहेगा तो वो आएगा इसमें, basically first of all. And then what happened, the basically in a full join, the all the data, right? So the 3 and null, it will also selected, okay. And then again 4 into the means 4 available in a b side table, but not in a a side table. So this 4 also it will be repeated, okay. The 4 also we will take for the full join, okay. So as per the definition, all the element from the whatever the inner join output and remaining this one, so all the data it will be taking, okay. So basically this is the full join. And last one is the what happened, the cross join. So can anyone tell me what is the output for the cross join? How many row it will be written?
20 rows are there.
20 row, okay.
Yes.
Anyone?
20
So
rows.
20 rows, okay. So Prajwal. So, okay, right. So basically 20 row, how you calculated, can anyone tell why the 20 row?
Sir, because
Hmm,
all the elements from both the tables are
hmm,
map or tagged to each other from both the tables.
right.
Means from we can take example from A table, one
Hmm,
is mapped to B side table for two
hmm,
one, again two, and again four. Means there are total four rows from one.
hmm, right,
Then
right.
same like this for two, one, two, three from A side table. So total
Okay,
there are 20 rows is there.
okay. So that means ki 5 into 4,
Yes,
right?
5 into 4.
So the simple when interviewer asks you that okay, what is output for the cross joint? So if you know the definition, then you will definitely tell the answer, right? Like okay, so cross joint, what happened in a cross joint? So as per the this out this if you check this in this picture, basically A table and B table. So the all the element will match with each other. It is not matter that ki it will be matching or not matching, but it will be creating one type of pair, okay. So like this one match with this one with this two, one with three, one with four. So this one means whether it will be match or not match, but it will be taking the cross join. Basically it will be creating one the means one tuple form, okay. So if you just remember this figure for that time, if you not clear, if you are confused, then you will just see, we can check this picture and we will definitely get the answer for that. And the second thing, I will give the trick for that. So in a cross join, what happen, you will directly count the number of from the one side table. So how many number of table, how many the count of the this element, so it will be 5, okay. So I will
5.
return as a 5. So I will return as a equal to 5, okay. And then it will be multiplied because of this element will match with every element from the beside table. So this one time, two time, three time, four time, okay. So that means ki all the element with match with each and every element from the another table, okay. So that's the reason we will take directly all the means count of the beside table 1 2 3 4, and I will directly multiply this table element into the this beside table element, so it will be 20. So you can directly say that key the 20 records for the cross joint, okay. So this is the output for that. So I hope you will clear the all the joints. And if you practice yourself, then you will definitely clear the concept, what happen in inner join, left join, right join, full join, okay. You can practice yourself, and you will definitely hands on this all the joints, okay. And many interviewer, basically I'm also asking this question for the many student when they for the during the interview time, okay. So I will show you the practically as well. So I will open my SSMS, and in my database there is a test database, and in that the two table A and B table. So I will show you the these two table. Okay, so this is the one table. So these are the two table, A table and the B table. Okay, so I need to check that the value 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, right. So in a B table, 1, 1, 2, 4. Okay, so this is the same table that I already created on my database. So A table and B table, and now we will perform the all the joins operation. Okay, so why I'm repeating this, because of if interviewer ask you for the, you can write the query on directly system, then it will be also practice yourself. Okay, so first of all, inner join. So can anyone tell me how we can write a query? Select
Select
star from.
star from table A,
Okay, table A. Okay, then.
alias it as A,
Okay,
then inner join
okay,
on table B,
okay, table B.
yes, alias it as a B
And B.
on
Okay,
A.id equal to B.id.
okay, A dot ID equal to B dot ID.
B.id.
Okay, so if I run this query, so we'll get this output. Okay, so we just verify the whatever we return the output, that we just verify. So it will be 6 row affected, and if you check the in whatever we return and this one, it will be matching, right? 1 1, then 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 2, and then it will be lastly 2 2. Okay, so all the output will be match. Okay, so then yeah, so the next yeah, so Prajwal, can you tell me the query? Select star from. Yeah, anyone can tell the this query?
Left join
Okay, left join.
table B,
Okay, table
alias
B.
it as a B. Yes, same.
Okay, same, just only for
Same.
the.
Only keyword is changed.
Okay, right. So for the left join also, we will check the output. So if we check the output, so then it will be also the same output for the whatever we taken that output. It will be same output for the when we fire the query. Okay. Then the right join. So right join also the same. Okay. So only difference is that key, we just instead of the left join, we will put right join. Okay. Right join. Okay. So right join also give the output. So only thing is that key, instead of the three, it will be take the four, because of the four available in a right side table. Okay, the same output. And then next the full join. Okay, so if I, for the full join, it will be 8 row will be written. Okay, the full 8. Okay, so for this
7, 7.
7 and this for the 7. Okay, and for the cross joint, so last one is a cross joint, right? How we can write a query for the cross joint?
Select star from table
Hmm,
A, then
okay,
cross join table B. Give it as alias as A and B.
okay. It will be run.
No, sir, the condition is will be removed.
Okay, this one, alright, after the one.
Yes, this is right. It
So
will
the
give the
inner,
proper output.
yeah, it will be for the 20 row, it will be
Yes.
written. Okay, so I will copy this. Okay, so for the cross joint. Okay, so now I think you all of you the clear about the SQL join.